Hey guys, it's time for Giga Steak. It's time for elimination. Click on EAS with 20,000 votes. Veneria, Gray, you're safe. With 19,000 and am I safe? Wait. No one, not you. Take again. Mr. Sun Turbo, you're safe. 17,000 votes. Turtle Black, you're safe. Why? It's not you! 1012. Hey, it's not the Simon and Blood. What? Simon, you're safe with 1,099 votes. Right, you're eliminated. 172 votes. Wait, what? I'm out. Wait, but it's gonna be me. No! Yeah, second challenge is to survive the broccoli. The EA, you will get out for elimination. Oh no, we gotta survive. No! 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 Your emoji, what is it? We have to get out of the car. Reset it. Yeah, we're right. Oh, let's go. Oh no. How are we gonna do now? Get on the plane quickly. Hey, I go on the recovery center. Yeah, that's right. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Psh. So now, and the poop. They're up for elimination. Guys. Guys. Do not want to be EAS free. Bye. Make sure you subscribe. And you like this? Okay, I'll see you in EAS free. Hey, TJ. Yes. What is it, kiddo? I think we survived the black hole. Yeah. But why? Because the black hole sucked up.